Welcome to the Cross Country Ramblers YouTube channel. My name's Aaron. I'm going to be your host again today. This is a video of a fun ride that I did in 2016 down at Kings Knob Off-Road Park. I went with my riding buddy, Mike. He's on a 2010 YZ250. I'm on my trusty 2002 KX250. And we begin this ride at the actual place called Kings Knob. One interesting thing about Kings Knob, it's near Philippi, West Virginia, and you go in, you pay $15 to ride for the day, and basically what you're getting is just free access to probably close to 1,000 acres. I have no idea. It's a huge piece of property. The only thing is there's no trail maps, and the trails really aren't marked that well. So we were just exploring, just riding around trying to find ways to go and have fun. So I'm just going to skip around just to some of the best sections of trail that we rode on. It wasn't uncommon to start down a path that looked good and then get to an obstacle that it was either a tree down that you couldn't get past, or just an insane hill climb that was just boulders or too steep. So then you'd have to turn around and go back the other way. So it's just trial and error trying to find our way through these woods. I actually attempted a race at Kings Knob. It was a WEXCR series race back in April. It was the first race I ever tried, and there was snow on the ground and muddy, and I just could not do it. I was not prepared, so I thought I could find some of the same trail and that I rode then, but it was just so wild, and there were trails everywhere. I could not figure out where I'd ridden on the race course. But this is a nice little muddy hill climb that we hit. Mike's a more experienced rider than I am, so he was a little more brave when it came to trying to hit some of these hill climbs, and this is one that he did. Was not expecting to see that fence up at the top. So the trails at Kings Knob range from woods to sort of open fields to these scrub brush kind of areas. They also have a motocross track and well, I reckon an enduro cross track. It's a little rough. These are some of the only people we saw all day, believe it or not, on the trails.
You go.
So I finally let Mike pick the way to go. Needless to say, he picks probably the muddiest, nastiest trail in the whole area. mean, it hadn't rained for over a week. There was still this much mud on this top of this mountain. So we turn around, I come back, I hit this hill climb. Just another little trail I thought was fun. So when I got here, I realized I'd already been in this point.
Been here before.
Yeah.
We've been here before, right?
So this was probably my favorite section of trail. I got to ride it twice, maybe 3 times. I don't know. It was so many trails, I have no idea. So one of the things that I've really thought about a lot over this summer, after I attempted some racing in the earlier part of the summer, is that this is really the first year that I've dedicated to riding my dirt bike. I've probably rode it more this year than I have in the previous 6 years combined. You know, after trying to do a couple races doing the snowshoe race, I realized I just need more seat time. I'm just not comfortable enough on a bike to go out and attempt something like that. So my buddy Mike and I are going to try to ride more and more and try to find cool places to ride. But more importantly, we just want some guys to ride with. So if you are near Morgantown, we want to get to know you and we want to go ride. So hopefully we can hook up. So after about 3 hours of riding, me and Mike were pretty much, our legs were shot. I was wore out. So we headed back to the truck and finished up, headed back toward home. All in all, it was a great day. Like I said, just need more practice, more time on the bike. Need some places to ride and some buddies to ride with. So please become a subscriber today to our YouTube channel. Thanks and God bless.